Milind Bhaveshi, who's the head of commodity research at Inventure Growth and Securities, joins us now on the show. Milind, afternoon. Great to have you with us. First up, give us a sense of what you think is happening with gold at this point.
Commodities as an asset class are generally driven up by liquidity. Now the current situation around the world points to a very simple question: where is the money? Worries over European political outlook and sovereign debt situation has led to cutting of net long positions in bullion by the speculators. In such a scenario, safe haven currencies such as US dollar are in accelerated demand. While this scenario points out to a bearish condition for commodities as a whole, however, we expect that there could be a lot of intraday volatility. Now gold can be sold on rise at around 28,150 for the day. Keep your stop loss at 28,220 and trade for the targets of 27,980.
Okay, so Milind, would you be bearish on silver as well?
The situation in silver is very similar to gold. Silver too can be sold on rise at around 53,400. Trade for the target of 52,600 and keep your stop loss at 53,600.
Right, and Milind, what about copper then, which is trading at multi-month lows? What would you do with that one?
China is the biggest market for copper. Now the slowing pace of growth in China has led to diminished demand for copper, and as a result the prices of copper are coming down. Further, the political uncertainty in Europe has also kept investor demand away for the time being. In such a scenario, copper prices could come down further. On MCX, copper can be sold for the target of 418 and stop loss can be placed at 424.80 levels.
Finally, Milind, what's going to be your trading strategy on crude?
For crude oil, the increasing supplies from Saudi Arabia, the rising stockpiles, as well as the decreasing risk appetite due to uncertainty in Europe have all led to crude oil prices coming down. The prices have come down by about 10% in last few days. Now on MCX, crude oil can be sold for the target of 5010 and stop loss can be placed at 5120 for the day.
Milind Bhaveshi, thanks for joining us with those commodity trading strategies.